on the seatbelt light. Please take your seat and fasten your seatbelts. Thank you.
You've probably seen QR codes all over the place, even if you don't exactly know what they are. They're on billboards and buses and posters and windows and everywhere. These things. You scan them with your smartphone, and it opens a website or an email address or a movie or something else right there on your phone. Another place where you see QR codes is in books and manuals, and that's where MadCap Flare comes in. In Flare, you can easily create QR codes and insert them into content. First, you place your cursor where you want to insert the QR code. Then you click this button. Then you use this dialog to tell Flare what you want the QR code to hold. You can enter text, a website address, an email address, contact information, or a phone number and text message. You can also tell Flare what size you want the QR code. When you're all done with whatever settings you want to add, the QR code will look something like this in your topic. Then you generate and distribute your output. And anyone who has a smartphone that's able to read QR codes will be able to scan it and see the content on their screen. Now, why on earth would you want to create QR codes in your documentation? Well, imagine writing a user guide and you're trying to explain a very complicated procedure. Somewhere in Dubuque, a person has a printed version of your user guide. That person is reading this very complicated procedure and is quickly getting a migraine trying to understand it. Then he sees a QR code that you added next to the steps. He scans the QR code, and up pops a movie demonstrating the procedure. He finally gets it, and his migraine goes away. That's what QR codes are for.